as you can see, it's coming right off the bone, everybody. I know it's a 24-hour kitchen, and we pull it outside, and yeah, man, it's a chicken leg. Amazing. Oh, wagwan people. Thank you very much for coming through today, people. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Yeah, man, we are cooked for an occasion, people. Today we are cooking for an occasion. All right, see the people. I've set on the peas, and the peas on its first stages of boiling, people. I haven't added nothing to the water yet, just the peas, people. All right, good vibes. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Yeah, we're fully outside, inside of the kitchen today.
24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Yes, everybody, see me there, so people. We're in the kitchen, in the environment, people. Yeah, man, good vibes, as you can see, people. Yeah, the beer things are going on at the kitchen right now. Look at that. So you don't know, so we're gonna deal with some chicken today as well, people. So yeah, man, good vibes. The chicken is just soaking in some vinegar water, and them vibes there. We're gonna season it up, and I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen, people. Everything is a surprise, people. So and now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with the chicken. You're gonna see it. Good vibes. Look at that steam coming from the pot. You know, see how things are going on. Yes, look, the rice and, well, not the rice and peas, the peas is bubbling up for the rice and peas. So what I'm gonna do right now, everybody, so I've got some garlic, I've got some scallion, and I've got onion. That's what I'm gonna add into the pot right now, people. So good vibes, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. But yeah, man, we're there, we're outside, people. Yeah, man, could they pot the pan fire, bam, vegetable chop up and everything, people. All right. So we got the chicken here soaking off in some vinegar, people. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're gonna give it a next little wash down and then apply the seasoning. A good vibe. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people. We're there, outside, inside of the kitchen. You don't know, so we're fully active. Oh yes, everybody, thank you very much for coming through on the channel, people. As you can see, we're there, we're in the kitchen, we're in the environment, people. Yeah, man, our good vibes. We're in season 6, people. Check out the videos. As I said, season 6, I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos, people. Sorry about the late delay and the action of throwing videos at you guys, people. But yeah, man, just bear with me. A 24-hour kitchen, and you don't know, so we're right in the mix right now, people. One more thing, people, I want to tell you guys, yeah, I'm going to be adding to the channel is the subscriptions, people, yeah, which has got the special features for you guys, people, yeah. So I'm going to be announcing that later on in the program, people, yeah. So our good vibes, thank you very much, people, yeah. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. You know, so when you make rice and peas, it's very important to get the peas on a very soft texture. Season your peas water before you apply the rice, people, later on down. So today we're adding garlic, we're adding scallion, we're adding thyme, and we're also adding onion, and then we've also got the all-purpose seasoning mix. We can't left out that out of the kitchen, so if you ain't got one of those, make sure you order your all-purpose seasoning mix today, people, yeah. Our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, and we're there. Look, see the pot there, I blaze up. Yeah, man, our good vibes. All right, so look at this. So in here now we've got the thyme, 1 whole onion, 3 of these scallion, and also we've got 2 garlic in here, people. So we're just gonna add this to the pot of peas. So yeah, man, our good vibes, people. Yeah, man, look at that. As you can see, that the amount of water that I started off with was all the way up here, and now the water shrunk down from the boiling and boiling and boiling. You can see the transformation of the color of the water has gone to red, so it's extracted from the peas, people. So our good vibes, man. And look, I'm just gonna add all of this to just create a next flavor, people. Yeah, man. So that's the first stage of seasoning that I'm adding to my pot, people. Yeah, man, our good vibes, our good vibes. If you like what you see, people, just like, comment, share, subscribe. thank you very much for being on the channel today, people. You're done now. Say big up your damn self, I ring up vision, and we are cook up the place. So right now, I'm just gonna cut up some scallion. Good vibes. As you can see, I'm just chopping up all of the onions and I'm just going to place it into this bowl that you can see right here, everyone. So our good vibes. So just that when we start the next process of cooking, everything's already done. So our good vibes is when you're in the kitchen, people, yeah man, you always can simplify everything that you're doing by preparation, everybody. So preparation is key. As you can see that I've got everything laid out. Everything that I'm going to be using today is washed, and all I have to do is just chop. You understand? So this is all the onions chopped up, all the scallions chopped up. So our good vibes. So now I'm going to be chopping up my peppers, the red ones, the yellow ones, and also the green ones. So what I'm doing now is pouring a little bit more vinegar, and I'm going to give the chicken them a final rinse and wash. So I'm using white vinegar, people. So our good vibes. And I've also add some lemon juice on it. I've washed it already, but I'm giving it a second wash, and then I'm going to start to season up now, people. So our good vibes. I also squeezed a bit of this lime juice on there as well. Yeah man, our good vibes. Yes, that's right. Yes, people, wagwan. So look, guess wagwan, people, yeah? The peas is now to a completion. Come and have a look. So I'm going to show you, just do a little test for you. Test the peas. You can see that, look, the peas is nice and soft, everybody. So, yeah, man, our good vibes. So we're going to turn off the peas right now. And then we're going to wash the rice, people, yeah? And put inside of the peas pot. So our good vibes, people, yeah? We're outside, inside of the kitchen now. Yeah, man. So we just drop some seeds, people, car. We're not ways to things them, so we just drop the seeds them in the ground. Yeah man, our good vibes, car. Time for the things them to start doing, people. So you know, so we cook with them. If you got a garden, just drop the seed them, and when they spring up, all you have to do, just take them out and re-put them in the ground where you want to put them. But right now, we just have to sprinkle them back in the ground, people. Let them grow back. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so what's happening now? Look at this. So the chicken's well seasoning and ready to be jerked up. So what I'm going to do with the chicken today, people, we're going to pop the chicken in the oven, a different style a jerk. We've got all the jerk formula, but we're going to put it in the oven to give it the completion, people. So our good vibes. All right, everyone, so we've got the oven on. So let's just check the temperature. All Alright, so our good vibes, nice and hot. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna take out the oven trays and start to pop the chicken inside of the oven tray, and our good vibes, we're gonna lock up and just wait for it to just go and cook in the oven. So look at this, people, the peas is finished, so it's time to put the rice in, people. So our good vibes, we're in a good motion in the kitchen. As you can see, we've got the okra, we've got the garlic, we've got the cherry tomatoes, red, gold and green peppers. We've also got the onion, people. We can't leave out the Scotch bonnet pepper in the kitchen, people, because we'll need to add a bit of heat. And we've also got some scallion that's already chopped up, our good vibes. And we're also going to be chopping up some carrots as well, people. And we've also got some more, alright, some more peppers, so our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so almost completed with cutting up all the vegetables. So yeah, man, here we go. This is the cherry tomatoes. See it there, people. All right, so we've got some carrots here. So we're gonna chop up some carrots. Have a look. Red, gold and green pepper, ready. Okra, cherry tomatoes, or some people call them plummy tomatoes, ready. Look at this. Scallion, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, ready. Extra time on deck, people. So you don't know, so our good vibes. Extra Scotch bonnet on deck, people. So our good vibes. Look over here as well. We can't leave out the garlic. Yeah, man. So we're gonna just chop up the rest of the carrots. And then that's it, people. Our good vibes. And we have one more thing to chop up today, people, yeah? So the last thing we're going to chop up today. Oh, yeah, man. You can't cook the food without the healthy side of the food. The steamed vegetable, people, yeah? So this is going to go to the steamed vegetables. So our good vibes. So I've just chopped up the carrots in this formation, a few of them, and I'm going to chop up the rest of them in a different style. So our good vibes. Everyone, so look where I'm going right now. So we're going to do the next initial checkup in the oven. Let's see what. Ooh, look at the colours what's going on in here, everyone. So yeah, man, a good vibe. So you don't know, so the chicken I go on roast up in the oven. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So I'm just gonna do a little switch around, quick and fast. Yes, everybody, you don't know, so we're in the kitchen. As you can see, come and have a look. We've got the range of vegetables. So we've got this one here is for the fish. We've got this one here is the steamed veg mixed with the onions, the scallions, the carrot, and also the red peppers, the green peppers. Everything's all mixed in. So we're gonna mix everything in the two bowls, everybody. And then yeah, man, our good vibes. We've got some more carrots that we're gonna add in here, people. So yeah, man, our good vibes. And the rest of this here, that is to go with the fish. And we've got some Scotch bonnet pepper here. Yeah, man, our good vibes, everybody. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. So what I'm doing right now is just doing the mixture, just mixing everything in. So you can see the array of colours with the cabbage and the peppers and everything together, everyone. So you can see what I've won. Our good vibes. Very, very, very good vibe. So you see what's happening right here. So this is the completion here, everyone. So this one's gonna be for the steamed veg, and we've got this one's here for the fish, and we've got this one's here is to make some sauce, people. So our good vibes. All right, come in. Have a look. So as you can see, look, we're gonna go in the oven right now, and Wow, look at that. So you can see that the chicken is coming to a nice, beautiful golden color. Let's check these ones at the top. Amazing, everyone. So yeah, man, the things are looking just the way we want them to look. We'll check the ones at the bottom as well. Good vibes. Now this is great, everyone. We know that we're almost at a completion. Look at that. Washing up the rice, people. So yeah, man, make sure that the rice is nice and washed. Wash out all that starch out of the rice. Because you know that the rice carries a lot of starch, everybody. So all that white that you see in the water, that cloudy water, that's all from the starch from the rice. So you just know, so we have to make sure we wash all of that out. So our good vibes. Alright, so what's happening right now, as you can see, I'm just frying up some onions for both pots. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Got the rice and peas there. Alright, good vibes. So this pot here, we're going to be making a sauce for the jerk chicken, and then this one here, you're going to be doing our steamed veg. So good vibe. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start to slowly add in the steamed veg, nice and slowly, and make it just steam down and shrink, because there's a lot of cabbage. But what cabbage actually does, once you start to cook cabbage, you'll see that it starts to shrink down inside of the pot. So I've lightly fried some onions just to infuse the oil with a little bit of flavour, everyone. So our good vibe, 24-hour kitchen, we're there. Oh, look at that. We're in the kitchen, everyone. Look at that. We're in the kitchen, everybody. So our good vibes, inside of the kitchen, everyone. Oh, look at this. So look at this, everyone. So what I'm actually doing, I'm actually just making all that cherry tomato just melt down, and this is going to be the base. As you can see, look, I'm just smashing it out with a spoon. This is going to be the base of my sauce today, people, my jerk sauce. So our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, people. Yeah, this is amazing jerk sauce that I'm going to be making right now. Base of it is fresh tomatoes. Good vibes. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now, in the steamed veg, just going to be cutting up some garlic. Good vibes. And just add the garlic to just give it a bit more flavour, a bit more oomph. And over here, inside of the sauce, we're also going to be adding some fresh garlic as well, just to give it a bit of oomph as well, everyone. So good vibes. Yeah, man. And some more over here. More over there. And what I'm going to do with both the pots, I'm going to be adding some thyme in our steamed veg. I'm going to be adding some thyme over here. Let's check up on the rice and peas. Look at that. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Alright, so as you can see that we're in a motion, people. So yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen, everything almost come to a completion, people. Yeah. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding a bit of water from the kettle just to bring it up a bit. And I'm going to turn it up and just make it boil now. Make it boil. So our good vibes, everybody. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe, people. Yeah, man, our good vibes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover up back the steamed veg, everyone. And I'm just going to give this one a little stir. And then I've got a little bit more ingredients that I'm going to be adding. I've got the all-purpose seasoning mix that I'm going to be adding, and I'm also going to be adding the jerk paste as well, people, yeah, to give it a little bit of oomph. So I'll good vibes. Alright, so we're going to get a small spoon, one, added our jerk paste, turn up the flavour, turn up the heat a bit. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to make this just boil until all of these tomatoes there, you see all them tomatoes there, we actually want them to boil out, everyone. So our good vibes. So we're going to leave this there and just make it just go and do its own thing, everyone. So yeah, man, I good vibes. Woo! Nice. Let's cover bad boy over here. I still got some more steamed veg here, and I've got one pot there, so I'm gonna after I do this one, I'm gonna pour it into the container, and then I'm gonna start again in the pot again. So good vibes. Yes, everybody. So as you can see right now, we're going through the whole process of cleaning the fish. Lemon, vinegar, the whole of the works, people. No raw fish, fresh fish, people. Yeah. So good vibes. Yeah, man. You see that? Oh. Alright people, so your sister the cameraman now play with the thing. I'm just showing you what we are dealing with. We're dealing with eat, yeah? It's all about food, people, yeah? So, alright, come in. Everybody can have a look and see what I go on. Come. I want to make them know, say, we finish up in the kitchen, so look. 1. 2. So alright, we've got one more in there, but you get the drift of what's happening now, people, yeah? Alright.
Eat.
Alright, so look at this. We've got the jerk chicken that's done underneath the oven, people, yeah? Without the smoke, so our good vibes. And we've added the all-purpose seasoning. We've got a complete mix here of okra, the broth and everything that you see from earlier on, people, yeah? Our good vibes. The steamed veg is at completion, people. Our good vibes. Come in, car. Everything there, you know. Look, we've got steamed veg there in one pot. We've also got some sauce for the chicken. And look what I want, people. We've got the rice and peas at completion. And that's the fish that's gonna go with this when we fry that up. So I might give you the last little bit of that little later on. It depends, people, but this is the main course here, people. Yeah. Yes, everybody, thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Today was all about cooking for an occasion, people, and on the menu, what I have on the menu today, people, is the jerk chicken that's been done underneath the oven. Car, look what I want. All right, so look. We've got the steamed veg over here, everybody. Nice. We've got a next pot of steamed veg. We've got the jerk sauce to go with the chicken. And we've also got the rice and peas, people. So quickly, car. Letting in the arm on this car. The Afi, this is a cooking program, people. So I know you guys want to see Wagwan and you're going to say, Ringo, alright, so we just, you understand? Alright, everybody. So, jerk sauce there. Alright, as you can see, look. This is a quick servings. I'm going to show you guys just the flavour and whatnot. So, good vibes. So as you can see, it's coming right off the bone, everybody. You see that? It's just like there we go. That's what it's all about, everybody. This is what it was all about today, people, yeah? Cooking a nice bit of homemade chicken, marinated, done underneath the oven, people, just like if you had a jerk pan. So I'm showing you, if you're at home, you don't have a jerk pan, everybody, yeah? Use the oven. You understand? Utilize the things inside of the kitchen, people, yeah? You don't know it's a 24-hour kitchen, and we pull it outside, and yeah, man, it's a chicken leg. Amazing.
Chicken and rice, nice.
Look at that. Alright, so I taste the chicken. Bit of rice. Coconut. Steamed veg. A little bit of the sauce. Woo! You see that sauce there? That sauce there is a 10. Link me up if you want to get some of that sauce, people, yeah? Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. I'll see you later.